Today we're going to install storage in the OWC StudioStack. First things first, find a soft surface to protect the device and flip it over on its back. You will see 4 screws on the back of the enclosure. Please remove those screws and keep tracking. With a simple Phillips head screwdriver, you should get these screws out no problem. 2 of the screws are longer than the other 2 screws. This marks the shorter screw, and then on the other side, the longer screw. Once the screws are out, find the tab at the bottom of the device and open up the enclosure. To install the NVMe, please note the notch on the NVMe and line it up with the notch on the receiving portion. Insert it halfway, push down, and secure with screw. In this case, we're installing a 12 terabyte HDD. Secure the drive into the drive tray with the 5 screws provided. Once the drive is secured in the drive tray, bring the enclosure back. Take the drive, gently slide it in to the SATA connector pin. Then, secure the drive with 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, like so. Now, all the drives are installed. Align the back cover with the thermal paste section over the NVMe. Reinstall the screws according to the diagram. Longer screws on the top and the shorter screws on the bottom. And with that, your OWC StudioStack now has storage.